Hello guys, this is Raja Trader. Let's have a result of the semi bot.
Target filled. Target filled.
Guys, experience fully automation like never before. No emotion, no hesitation, just pure automation at work. Our fully automated trading bot is built for trader who want zero stress and consistent result. With built-in risk control, it execute precise entry and exit while you sit back
Order
and
cancelled.
watch it perform. Join our daily live Zoom session, explore the full video lesson, library, and master the tunnel strategy A++ setup that power every trade. Fully automation, zero emotion, zero hesitation, built-in
Order
risk
filled.
management, consistent results. You can see it. That our tunnel to tunnel strategy and A+ setup. Here you can see that's the live account
Target filled.
and 1830 7010. Review TWR semi board with the other boards. My semi boat is affordable, lifetime access, payable in two easy monthly installment, no renewal, one time payment, buy one get one free, real session, real result, real payout. Perfect for couple or sibling. While the other boat is start from 3K to 30K, there is monthly subscription which is minimum $300 per month. Once you stop paying monthly, bot will stop work and there is no trial version. While I am offering everyone 1 or 2 weeks free trial, and if you want to get free trial, you can visit my website tradewithraja.com, or you can send me message 647 574 3374. Thank you.